So today we will show you some of the magic our company Mistral Mobile is able to do on the mobile financial services space. Before that, a couple of words about our company. So we're a young company, but our history goes back in the mobile financial services industry quite a long time, more than 5 years. So we used to be running Nokia's mobile financial services business, and when they decided to exit that, we decided to continue on our own.
Yeah, so in a nutshell, what we are providing kind of the front-end piece for any financial services. It can be core banking system, payment platforms, or card systems. So we have kind of the native applications for different phone platforms, Androids, iPhones, even low-end, and then the gateway, which is connected then those kind of the payment platforms of financial core banking systems.
Now, quite often the mobile financial services are provided to the consumers through the applications for the different phone platforms, Android, iPhones, whatnots. But the big challenge here is that on the traditional application model, it's very difficult to introduce new features, new innovation to your customers quickly and cost efficiently. You have to redevelop a new version of the application for each of the phone platforms, then get them redistributed. And on top of that, then you actually have to have the users getting them to do the updates on the applications, which some of them maybe never do. So our innovation instead allows you to almost instantly deliver any new feature, new innovation to your whole customer base without requiring them to do anything. So now we will show how easily we can introduce a totally new feature to a user having an Android phone. So over to you, Timo.
Yeah, okay, it's there. So on the right side, you can see my mobile phone, which is projected now in this kind of PC. And then this is our gateway product here. And we have some additional features in my kind of handset, but of course, always comes the day that you need to have some new features there in place for consumers. So what I'm going to do right now, so I'm going to create one new feature there, which is going to send money with the phone number, as you may have seen in the Ping It or the M-Pesa in Africa. So I unlock my product. So and then I will approve. Yep. And as you can see, I have this kind of 3 features there, which are equal with what I have in my mobile phone. And then I start creating a new feature called client forms, which are used for kind of creating features. Then I click add. And then I select the corresponding API from the payment platform or core banking system. And we have implemented here kind of send money to phone API. Then I can see the feature name, which is basically the label what you're going to see in a mobile phone once this is done. So I put it there, send to phone, for example. And then I can see the API parameters, what we are expecting from the consumer to kind of add. And these labels are also shown in a kind of phone side. These are fine. Then I select here the phone. It's giving me the access then to the phone book. And then I select amount, which gives me the connection with the currencies in the platform. And then some message, which is put it as normal text. And then I can also control about is this mandatory or not, and then position on the screen, etc. But let's not touch those at this moment and save it. Then I go back to my products. Small lags about this kind of connectivity. And then I have to kind of unlock again, getting the access. So, and then I can, just a second. I can see in the bottom there this kind of the feature that I just created, send to phone. I select that one. And also let's take also the travel insurance with that, which I've created earlier. And I will save these. So now those are saved. Then I have to put it to production environment before I'm able to use those. Publish. And now it's published. Okay, let's go back to my mobile phone. Now these updates are available to all those users, no matter if they're using the iPhone or Android or low end. I go to settings and I just select update the product. And as you can see, now all these features are available for this kind of mobile application. And same would have happened also to all users using the iPhone, etc. I did it now manually. I could have done it also automatically, force the users to get those new features.
Can you now send me some money?
Yeah, so why not?
So did you see how fast and easy it was? But of course, we were faking a little bit because we didn't actually implement the server-side API as a part of this demonstration. But since we were given 7 minutes, if they would have given us 10 minutes, Timo would have done that live on stage as well.
Easily.
So why is it so important to be able to innovate fast on the mobile space? The whole mobilization is changing the financial services industry landscape quite a lot. And then you want to make sure that you are able to innovate, introduce new features, new products to your customers, because otherwise somebody else surely will.
Sure. So, and this all is provided as a white label solution for the market, and it can be connected to any kind of transactional platform, as mentioned earlier.
So, in a nutshell, our solution allows fast mobilization of your financial service, basically any transactional system, provides almost unlimited opportunity to innovate very fast, and as a bonus, you can do it very cost efficiently. So please come see us at our booth. We're going to be there as soon as we're off the stage, which is going to be now. Thank you.
Thank you.